Using YNAB budget as a couple can promote financial transparency, teamwork, and shared goals. Here's how to effectively use YNAB together. Joint budget. Create a joint budget in YNAB that reflects both partners' incomes, expenses, and financial goals. Allocate funds to various categories based on mutual priorities and shared responsibilities. Regular communication. Schedule regular budget meetings with your partner to discuss financial matters, review spending, and make decisions together. Use these meetings to set goals, track progress, and address any concerns or challenges. Shared responsibility. Collaborate on budgeting tasks such as categorizing transactions, reconciling accounts, and updating budget allocations. Assign specific roles and responsibilities to each partner to ensure accountability and transparency. Individual categories. Allocate a portion of the budget for individual spending categories to accommodate personal preferences and discretionary expenses. Respect each other's autonomy while maintaining overall financial alignment. Long-term planning. Discuss and plan for long-term financial goals such as buying a home, saving for retirement, or starting a family. Set priorities, establish timelines, and work together to achieve these objectives. Flexibility and compromise. Be open to compromise and adjust the budget as needed to accommodate changing circumstances or unexpected expenses. Prioritize your shared financial well-being and be willing to make sacrifices for the greater good.